I've been running N8N on Hostinger VPS for a while now, and one question I keep getting is what's the cheapest way to actually get started? So in this video I am breaking down the exact steps to grab the best Hostinger discount available in February 2026. Quick thing to know upfront, there is a difference between a coupon code and a referral link. That's it, a standard Hostinger coupon. Like Solo 10 gets you 10% off. My referral link in the description gets you 20% off automatically plus a free domain, same checkout, twice the discount. There's really no reason to use anything else. Everything is pinned in the comments and listed in the description, organized by country and currency. Find your region, click the link, and you'll land directly on the Hostinger website with the discount already locked in. From the homepage, click Services in the top navigation. This is where you'll see every plan Hostinger offers, and the 20% discount through my link works on all of them. Today we are focused on self-hosted N8N, so go ahead and select that option. That's it. You'll see the VPS lineup KVM1, KVM2, KVM4 and KVM8. KVM1 works if you're just testing things out. KVM2 is what I personally use and recommend for running real automations. KVM4 and KVM8 are there when you're scaling up with heavier workloads. I'm selecting KVM2 for this demo. At checkout, your 20% discount is automatically reflected. No code to type, no box to fill in. Your free.com domain will also show up there. Before you hit confirm, use a new email address if you can. It ensures the promotional pricing applies without any hiccups. Thanks for watching. If you are serious about N8N automation, subscribe. I drop deals and tutorials regularly. Like this video if it helped, and I'll see you in the next one.